Hello, French-Fry World. Today I'm being a firefighter here in ERLC, and it's just a regular being a firefighter. Any calls? Shopping outlets. I can't do stroke. I guess I'll join that unless somebody's taking care of it now. But this poor person's so dead. Okay, yeah, it's been dealt with. That poor person's so dead. Near the farms. Dumpster fire. Okay, apparently somebody's dealing with that. Oil house spill near a shopping outlet. I don't know. Do I have oil absorbent? I know DOT does. Do we have... Yeah, there's the oil. It's not... This is gonna be suitable. Isn't like if you spray water on oil, like it makes the fire go crazier? Or just like, how is that? I don't know. No, that's grease. That's grease. Never mind. Let's see. MGT. A crash in water. I don't care. Join. That's DOT's problem, not ours. So. I know I'm supposed to be a great firefighter and service member, but that's their problem, not mine. This ambulance says, I like this ambulance. It's pretty good. It's a little big, but he crashed his car in the water. Wait, I gotta keep going then. Sheriff's office. Oh yeah, I can take this turn. Bro, what is going on up here, bro? Come on, the acceleration on this ambulance honestly isn't bad. There's a wanted person over here. Okay, let's take a left here. I guess I'll be requesting backup at here. Or, yeah, I'm guessing the fire's in the house. Wait, let's see. Yeah. Don't I have the thing that can break through the door? Cutters. No. Halcyon tool. Breach the door with the Halcyon tool. There we go. I like this little animation. This animation's cool. Let's go inside. Oh yeah, there's a fire in here. Oh, kitchen. People don't know how to cook. I hate this fire animation. It's hard to tell like what's been put out and what hasn't, because like it just like comes back and disappears. It disappears then comes back. So there's no way to tell. So I don't. Let's say when those cabins catch on fire, there's no way to tell whether it's been put out or not. Like it's really hard to know. Like up here, I can't tell because it just like flickers on and off. I don't like it. The new fire animation is not what I would want it to be. Oh, there's still a little bit here. And then there's still some... Get out of the chair. Still some here. Okay. There's still some here. Yo. It's outside. What? How's the fire, like, outside? I'll spray through the window. No, that worked. Yo. What's the smoke coming from? It's coming through that window. Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah. I was about to say there. Clarifier, that's going to be the gun store. I ain't going to that. I always forget this area, the housing area. Because, like, I always forget this is here. Here, most of my location. En route. 801 Riverside Drive. Where's that at? 801 would be the intersection of Spring Creek and on routes. Okay, yeah, I'm right there. I'm literally like right here. Oh, you need me to heal you? Let me grab my medic bag. Heal. Yo. How do you want me to fix your freaking leg? You can't fix a leg. You idiot. Nah. I ain't dealing with that. I know it's supposed to be a roleplay thing, but no. Nah, bro. I might as well just keep my siren on because, like, I can't even hear it, so it doesn't really affect me. Know what they wanted, but I got XP for healing, so. What's going on the old MDT here? Near the DOT building. Oh, I forgot about that, yo. Oh, yeah, they're trying to get that dude's car. Yeah. Don't you dare. What's that? Okay, there we go. So this is dumpster fire. Ah! Oh! Yo! Gosh dang. Bro, holy outies, bro. Let me friend request everybody. Holy outies, bro. Golly. I just put it on my sink. Bro, holy outies. Golly, bro. Rich. I spent too much money on police cars, so that sucks. Let's keep, come on, fire. Go out. There we go. What else is on the old MDT here? The DOT building. Alright. So you're telling me I didn't put it out? Bro. I literally put it out. Oh my god. Why are these people? Why is one person green? I literally put it out. I'm just gonna play the siren song because I know it's gonna annoy somebody. I got that, yo. Power plants. En route, yo. En route to the call. Yo, that's a quick, bro. If you fell and you hurt something, bro, I am flying over here, bro. Yeah, bro, you gonna be okay. You gonna be okay, bro. You gonna be okay. Don't worry, bro. I got you. I got you. Don't worry. I see. Treats. Check vitals. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need the medic bag. I got it. There we go. Now you should be good. Expect patient. Come on. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Just refer to the hospital. I'm not working on that now. You fell. It's okay, bud. What did you break when you fell? Broken arm. Splint. Okay. I'll get you a... That's your pants. Not your... Okay. Go, 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 open door. If this thing glitches again. Eat, grab. Eat, grab. Yeah, actually, I'll put that up. No, what the frick? They put on. E, open door. F, load. Oh, yeah, wait, E, close door. Go, go. What in the hell was that? Appreciate you all for watching. Goodbye. Never seen that before.